In this video, we'll show you how to use bidding in your Cordic Driver app. Bidding lets you bid for jobs that haven't been dispatched to anyone as of yet. On your queue screen, a coloured dot on the left of a queue row means you're close enough to bid on it. The BJB column, short for biddable jobs, shows how many jobs in that queue are up for bidding. There are two ways to bid. With manual bidding, you press the BJB button to bid yourself. With auto bidding, you set a radius in miles and the app bids for you automatically. To place a manual bid, find a queue on your screen that has biddable jobs. Look for a number in the BJB column. Tap the BJB button to place your bid. If your bid is successful, the job offer comes through, just like a normal job. Tap Start Ride and you're on your way. If your fleet has the bid list turned on, you can see the actual jobs available and pick the one you want. You'll see the biddable jobs in that queue. Tap the one you want to go for. If your bid wins, the job is offered to you. Your office may also have timed bidding switched on. When it is, placing a bid doesn't win you the job straight away. Instead, the app waits a set amount of time, decided by your office, to collect bids from other drivers. Once that time's up, it picks a driver from everyone who bid based on who's closest to the job. If you have auto bidding on, it does the work for you. Instead of watching the screen and tapping bid yourself, the app bids automatically for any available job within the radius you've set. You set your auto bid radius in the settings. This is how far you're willing to travel for a job. Once it's on, the app will bid for jobs in range until it wins one for you. When it wins, the offer comes through just like a normal job. To turn auto bidding off, head back into the settings. You should now know how to place a bid on a job within the Cordic Driver app. If you're still having issues after watching this video, please contact your office for further support.